So the next question we have got from Nitish only, and this is quite intriguing. Nitish has mentioned, and I would like to give it a bit of a twist. Like, what kind of challenges do you face, or did you face while hiring a non-MBA recruits, and what are the typical MBA candidates' attitude issue? Like, you have seen almost MBA and non-MBA, and what were your challenges? And does this stamp of degree really impact, or it's the work and the attitude to learn?
I think this has been a very, very over spoken topic, MBA versus non-MBA. So I'll share my experiences. At JP Morgan, we had majority of the people from the campus, MBA campus. They were from people from IIM Lucknow, Indore, Narsi Moji, and so on. There was another office where they had people from IIM Ahmedabad and Calcutta, and then I've also taught a lot of MBA colleges. I think if you truly ask me, it's not about MBA versus non-MBA. I've seen people who have done just CA and BCom and they have excelled. I have seen people from a tier 2 BCom college and they have been like top traders making probably 50, 80 lakhs a year in the early 20s, 25, 26 age, right? So I think MBA and non-MBA, CA, all these are not matter. What I would suggest is when the need arises, be ready to self-learn. Don't expect to be spoon-fed. So the advantage or the disadvantage of MBAs is that they will be in a classroom mode for almost 2 years. There'll be time they will be doing projects with their peers. There'll be time where they'll be taught the subjects by the professor. The disadvantage is at times, maybe because of the time crunch, they will not be able to explore what is happening, what is trending. I'm a CA. Right. And I realized that one of the biggest mistakes I made in the early stages of my career is not to explore areas outside my CA. भैया CA है तो मैं finance पढ़ाऊंगा, financial modeling पढ़ाऊंगा. I will teach Excel modeling and Excel analytics. What I did not realize, there were worlds other than these also which I had to explore in the early parts. And if you are in the early stages of a growth trajectory, you get to make the maximum out of it. So what kind of challenges do you face when you're recruiting first non-MBA or MBA recruit? I would say for me, it's not been MBA versus non-MBA game ever.
We have got another question from Sai, which is, what are the 3 things that has kept you going always?
ऐसा कोई 3 things नहीं है. It keeps on changing. Till age of 27, 28, my motivations were different. By age 33, my motivation changed. By age 37, my motivations have changed. So I think, if I were to put in the age group of 25 to 30, कि उस समय मेरे क्या motivations थी, those 3 things that keep you going always. I think कोई सीधा आंसर नहीं है इसका. I'm just taking a moment to just think through what were my thoughts in the initial days, what kept me going. Sometimes I think you talk to yourself and you form a certain lingo in your mind. ठीक है, a lingo in your mind, and that lingo you have to keep on repeating. ठीक है, so मैं एक ही instance लूंगा. So when I used to walk from my Calcutta office to my home, when things were like very basic level, not that looking rosy, मैं अपने आप को कहता था, especially because I used to look at my peers and they were doing pretty well, buying car and going to foreign holidays. तो वो जो mind management में आपको एक lingo बनाना पड़ेगा जो आपका एंटी थॉट है. पर्सनली आई बिलीव अगर मैटर है तो डार्क एंटी मैटर भी होगा. सो हर नेगेटिव थॉट का एक एंटी थॉट होता है और ये सबके लिए अलग होगा. मेरे लिए अलग है, हो सकता है यू आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग नेगेटिव, आई एम ऑल्सो फीलिंग नेगेटिव अबाउट वर्क, बट मेरे पास एक एंटी थॉट है विच इज नेगेटिंग दैट. आपके पास एक एंटी थॉट है विच इज नेगेटिंग योर थॉट, एंड दिस कुड बी डिफरेंट. सो मेरा एंटी थॉट क्या था? ऋषभ, सब माया है, होगा 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 होगा. सिंपल लैंग्वेज, सिंपल लिंगो. So when I used to look at people, going to foreign holidays, buying cars, मैं अपने क्या होता, सब माया है ऋषभ, सब माया है, सब माया है, and ये होगा, and the next thing is होगा 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 होगा. It sounds very I would say nonsensical at this point of time in my life. क्या बोलता था अपने आप को, but उस समय I remember in the deep darkest of my times ये मुझे हेल्प करता था. A lingo which I used to keep on repeating in my mind. अब ये lingo आज मैं अपने आप को बोलूंगा ना, बकवास, कुछ काम नहीं आएगा. Okay, so at different points of time, you get different lingos which you have to speak to your mind. I think बाकी pep talk वगैरह आपको एक दो दिन help कर देगा, कोई आपको guide कर देगा in thinking right. But जब आप रात को सोते हो ना तो अकेले ही रहोगे, और that is when you have only you with yourself, and वहाँ पे कोई help करने नहीं आएगा. So I think read a lot, watch a lot. You will get lot of anti-negative thought वाले बाण जिसको कहते हैं, उस समय काम नहीं आएंगे. कीप कलेक्टिंग देम. दिस इन फैक्ट अभी मैं बिफोर द कॉल आई वाज रीडिंग दिस बुक 1000 लिटिल थिंग्स. ठीक है, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें मैंने पढ़ी थी, जब पढ़ी थी ठीक है अच्छा लगा था. अभी मैं रैंडमली एक चीज पढ़ रहा था which is an anti negative thought. I'll just read that 2 lines. Wake up every morning with the idea that something wonderful is possible today. जब मैंने पहली बार पढ़ा था, I'll repeat this. Wake up every morning with the idea that something wonderful is possible today. ये जब मैंने पढ़ा था 6 महीने पहले, कोई मतलब नहीं मेरे लिए. आई जस्ट कलेक्टेड एंड आई जस्ट अंडरलाइन. ठीक है, गुड टू हियर. बट नाउ व्हेन आई रीड दिस टुडे इन दिस लास्ट 4-5 days, ये मुझे बहुत हेल्प कर रहा है. सो व्हाट डू आई कॉल दिस? दिस इज अ लाइन व्हिच इज लाइक एंटी नेगेटिव थॉट. So keep collecting such anti-negative thoughts. It will help you when the time is right. So that's a very unconventional answer. I know it doesn't sound like answer you expected, but that's what worked for me.